Let's go pick some flowers for Daddy Mike. But this, that's nice. So it's Daddy Mike's birthday today, guys. Kahanap tayo ng ating flower. It's not all the time na yung bibigyan ng bulaklak ay yung girl lalo. Dapat may pabulaklak din ang boys. Diba? The love of our life. Purple. Maybe, or just a rose. Oh my God, this is amazing. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang laki. Rose or that one? Ito kasi parang matagal tong mamatay. Normally kasi yung rose na ano kaagad eh. Hang on, this one, not so bad. This is so cute. Okay. Hi, how are you? Good. Yan, pabulaklak natin for our king, the man of the house, the daddy of the century. Ganda naman ito eh. Si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids guys ay nasa summit sa cafe. So, ayan, umalis ako para bumili ng bulaklak. May appointment kasi ako kaninang umaga guys. Ngayon lang kami magkikita ulit. Sorry. Kasi I think nasa likuran. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kiss mommy. I love you, Baba. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Daddy.
Have my birthday.
It's for Daddy. Give it to Daddy. This is for you, Daddy. How are you, Ate? Wow. Oh, is that a letter for Daddy? Dear Daddy, I love you. Thank you for caring for me. Aww. Look, what we have in here. Do you like the rose, honey? Baba, do you like the flower? Smells like rose.
Mama!
Thank you, baby. Nakapulot si Daddy Mike ng ano guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Maybe the other one, Daddy too. See?
Yeah, that one's good. That one's, I don't think that
Is it
one's...
broken?
Nah, it's just pop, baby.
Yeah.
This is
What's happening?
Lin, come on, Lin. Daddy found something.
Daddy got your present.
It's Daddy's birthday, but you got a present.
Mama, can we help?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mama, let me help.
Get the flower, anak B. Give the, don't leave the flower there lang.
Here.
Thank you, Prince. Okay, tinapon lang ba sa labas? Magagamit naman yan. You okay? Jump. Good girl.
Mom, I don't get hot.
Give it to Daddy.
Inside, baby. Put it inside, mommy. Yeah, I put it inside. Ready?
I think that's too small, Baba. Move the head part, Daddy.
It's not super small.
Hmm?
Sit down. Come on, you big.
Ate, can you hold this one for a bit, quick? Thank you. She's so
You put your neck inside.
Push her like that. There you go. Okay, can you...
Ready?
You're too old for it.
She likes it.
Gusto lang? Give it to Mama. Oy, come on, oy, because we're going upstairs. Hey, give me it to Mama. Wow.
No.
Draw heart, play.
I'm doing it.
Oh, wait, stop. Louis, you want the right too for Daddy?
I'm gonna do it.
You're done? Good girl. Thank you.
No. Mike, can I do a little George?
No. Daddy's in the other room. Para di makita. Stop, Louis.
Mike, can I?
Wow. Personalized na Lini, oh. That's amazing, Lini. Daddy will love that. Daddy will love
Let's do
that.
it again.
Okay, yeah. Do it more here. Good job. Okay, Ate's turn.
Now.
Hay. Meron tayong regalo dito. Para kay Daddy. Hindi niya alam. Nasa kwarto siya. Sinabihan ko siya na i-change yung napin ni Celine. His presents inside this box. Paglabas niya, sabihan natin.
Mama, cover his eyes.
We got a present for you, Daddy.
They're gonna love it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
It's your honor to open it.
Thank you.
It's your honor to open it.
We'll do the honor to open it, like.
1,
2,
2.
go!
Ooh. Louis Vuitton, mommy.
Daddy!
Daddy!
Wait, that's Daddy's lang. Let Daddy open it.
It's okay. Thank you, Lee. Thank you, Mom. Is that for me?
Dad!
Yes.
Just did the unboxing.
I want to open too. What is
What
that?
size is that, mine?
I want to open.
Your size.
Oh no. I want to open. Daddy.
Baby, show me. Put it on your bed. Tingnan niyo ang mga anak ko. Sila na nag-open sa regalo ng kanilang tatay. Yeah, that will fit.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, girls.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you. Is this
What's
good?
this on?
Yeah, Paris tried it and she liked it when we went to buy it.
Paris was saying yes, I think.
No, there's actually, we tried 2 different ones and that's the one that I like. Whoa, smells so good.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
Smelling?
What do you think, lady?
Yeah.
It smells good, huh?
Oh, thank you. It's with the stuff.
Okay, tayo na. Okay? Gamit na gamit ka ni Daddy Mike eh. Ibigay ko sa kanya. Okay, stop. Yung binigay ko pa Daddy Mike like few years ago na wallet. Ayan, sira na guys. Ha?
And a pink star.
Pink star. Okay. Oh, you wore the pink star yesterday. Taka ka.
No, I want it.
Let's go!
Let's go! Andito kami ngayon sa Carindale Shops, guys. Westfield. Kasi Daddy Mike has to do a few things. Bank muna kami. May gagawin ko Daddy Mike. We will fix Daddy Mike's we'll wait here, anak. Daddy Mike's watch. Kasi gagamitin niya from Melbourne. And then, sabi niya ay magpapa-trim ng kilay. and maybe massage as well, you know. Let him do all the things that he wants because it's his day, it's his special day. It's Daddy's 42nd birthday. Oh my god. How old is Daddy? How old is Daddy? Ow, ow, ow.
Then said 47.
Uy, 47.
Then said 42.
Careful, anak ko.
Two pins for my watches, please, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure thing.
I accidentally put it in the wrong way on this one.
Okay.
I fell off. It's time for this one.
So 1 pin, 2 pins, the pins are $9.95 each. You've got a pin in here, it's around the wrong way.
Special office. Back rocking massage. Mike ay nasa massage na guys. So, kami libot-libot. Tingin-tingin ng bagahe. We actually need one small one. Okay, breath. Press and push down. Okay. Careful. Samsonite to. Meron silang 50% pero mahal pa rin guys kahit 50% off. This one is cute lang reduced to clear. 137.50. This is nice. Itong sleepy girl. 1, 2, 3. I just bought one of these guys. Ito yung gustong kulay ni Daddy Mike tsaka ni Ate Paris. Gusto ko yung pink tsaka yung cream.
Sorry, I'll go
No worries. Sorry. Tingnan nyo ito. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, the yellow or this. Ako naman, pink or this. But, gusto ni Daddy Mike yellow. Okay. Kasi ang yellow daw magagamit niya, pero ang pink hindi. At ito daw mabilis madumihan. Ang ganda ng prom neck. Celine. Ang laki nito guys. 80 centimeters. Guys, so it's nearly 7 o'clock ng gabi at nandito kami ngayon sa Thai restaurant. Nag-book ko ng table for 4 para sa birthday ni Daddy Mike guys. 6:30 yung aming booking at alam niyo ba sobrang pahirapan yung pag-envelope ng parking dito. So, we were a bit late. Actually, si Daddy Mike at saka si Ate Paris, pinauna ko dito while I'm still looking for parking, guys. Hopefully, maririnig niyo ako kasi napakaingay. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. So, pinauna ko sa Daddy Mike dito siya sa Ate Paris para maano na yung mesa namin. And then, kasi si Baby Celine ay natutulog, I had to wake her up. Tapos, kailangan ko siya i-carry, guys. Alam niyo ba, medyo malayo-layo at naka-high heels namin niya. My God. Sakit-sakit ng paa ko, guys. So, since paiyak-iyak siya, ayan, sinasakay siya ni Daddy Mike sa escalator, guys, pababa, mataas. While we're still waiting for our food. Ate Paris, alam niyo ba si Ate Paris, she looks very grown up sa kanyang pa-outfit for today. Pakita ko mamaya yung ito ang aking top for tonight guys. Plain plain white shirt. And ano na tingnan? Alam niyo yung plain pero may dating. I love it. Pakita ko yung outfit sa inyo ng pag we're still waiting for our food. Makita ko sa inyo. Pero yun, daming tao. Here's the Lini. Look. Nanonood. Okay. Kasi umiiyak Daddy. suot na ni Daddy yung binigay kong shirt sa kanya. Kasya naman. Bagay na bagay sa kanya.
What am I doing? What am I showing them?
Your shirt. What's that, Daddy?
What's your, yeah. I think you showed my fork, yeah?
I get chopsticks again. Anyways, how do you even other way around?
I think that's the other way around.
Other way around.
Silly girl.
I knew
You
that.
wipe it. Ibalis ako lang. We're waiting for hours. Meron silang ganito guys. Diba parang Asia lang. Yung mga ganito. Meron kami ganito before eh. Tapos yung mga tuyo, mga sugar, ganyan, chilies. Here's mine guys. Some top. Oh, what's this, Bob?
That's the yamunzen as well.
Huh?
Extra.
Look, very colorful no, ang kanilang pagkain. And rice. Nandito yung sa akin guys. Some papaya salad. Yeah. Nakatapos na namin mag-dinner guys. Alam niyo ba? Sa gilid ng aming kinainan na tayo restaurant is Filipino restaurant. Ha? Ayun na nga. Once you're ready, go!
Oh, I love one. It's so hot.
I know. Ooh, it's cold. Gusto ni Ate Paris na mag-ice cream, guys. Oh my God, yung linya. Good luck. Sabi ko, we'll just find something else. Nandito kami. We're ordering some waffles.
Daddy.
Daddy's there somewhere with chili. Kasi ayaw mo magpalagay ng chili.
Maybe they're getting ice cream.
Have a look, Mako. You can see how they're making it lang.
I can't see it. It's small.
Later when they move.
Huh? Look at it. It says I can only use tokens. Look! We have tokens.
Mm. Yeah, no. Super cool. The Raymond. Daddy Mike is buying some bubble tea, guys. Hinihintay namin siya. Oo, anak. Keep it agay, Diyos ko. Oh, guys, ito yung aking gamit na bag today. Oh my God. Minsanan ko lang siyang ginagamit kasi binabagay ko sa mga suot ko. And tonight, I felt like kasya. Uy, nabuang na rin mga bataan eh. Ano, uy. Sala, tingnan niyo. Uy, honey. Ala ka, buang na yung mga bataan. Give me. I think right now, give it to Mama. Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye,
Thank you. You're a silly girl. Mga bata.
No, not me silly girl. But
You're silly.
I can make off then come back
Later.
down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Later. Daddy, show my outfit. Daddy, babe.
Where's Ati?
I'll show you Daddy's.
My daughters.
Hi, Salini! Ay, mga bata. Ay, amot na lang.